Hey, what's going on, Sioux Falls? It's Kelly at your West Side Radco location, and you know what? It's too nice outside. Let's bring some of these deals out to you. All right, guys, like I said, as you can see, we decided it was way too nice outside. So we decided to bring out all of these great deals for you. So stop on down 3017 South Carolina Avenue and come take a look at all the great deals that we have out here for you. We've got toppers, we've got tonneau covers, we've got WeatherTech, toe straps, 3 for 60 bucks. Lots of great specials to be had. So stop on down 3017 South Carolina Avenue. Give us a phone call at 361-2882. And as always, we offer a professional minimal touch install. We can ship it directly to your house, or we do offer a curbside pickup. So don't forget our jingle, Radco, your truck accessory store. Or is it Pros?